What's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to be doing an experiment today. Flushable wipes. Are they flushable? We're going to find out. We got 4 things today. We got Cottonelle flushable wipes. And the reason we're using Cottonelle is because Roger Wakefield used them and he said they worked and they broke down, but it was also the sponsored video. We're gonna see if he just got paid to say it. These great value flushable wipes. Great value flushable wipes. Toilet paper. Normal toilet paper. Paper towel. Great value. Ultra strong and absorbent. The reason we're using 4 different things is we want to see what people flush down the toilet, which are these and other things, and we're going to see what breaks down over time. So give me a minute, I'll be right back, and we'll get this experiment started. Alright, so before we get started, drink of the day, HOPCITY Brewery, Barking Squirrel. It's an amber lager. It's a beer out of Brampton, Ontario, and St. John, New Brunswick. This is what I drink. It is a Saturday. I am of legal age. And that's nice. Definitely not sponsored. Would love to be sponsored. As you guys can see, 12:32. It's backwards for you guys, but it's 12:32. I'm going to be putting a timer down here somewhere so that we can see how much time has lapsed once we get started. While we get started, let me know if you guys think that any of this stuff is gonna break down. Toilet paper, we're gonna put over here. We're gonna put a couple bunches. And we're going to give it a little swish around before we finish here. So, great value flushable wipes will be the second pack, or the second bin. And I'm probably going to leave it on for maybe 3 hours. We'll do a quick time lapse. It'll be quick for you guys. And I'll be checking back and forth a few times. There's one there. There's 2. Let's go 3 just to be safe. It was sealed. We're going to go with the paper towel for number 3. Brand new. One, 2. We'll go 3 half sheets. Bunch it up. 1. Bunch it up. 2. Bunch it up. 3. Then we're going to use the Cottonelle. So we actually used Cottonelle wipes in the house. So I ended up buying, I think it was a 3-pack. 3 or 4. Anyway. I'm going to show you guys that this is a sealed pack. You can see that it's sealed. Just ripped it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So, we're going to give it a little mix up, and I'm going to find Got a nice, oh, look at that, Milwaukee. Alright, Milwaukee little flathead. So the toilet paper, it's already falling apart, which is good. The wet wipes, nothing yet. And these were the life or great value paper towel. Not really falling apart yet. Right? And the Cottonelle. Right? Not really falling apart yet. So, like I said, we're going to put a time lapse. And we will come back a few times. Sorry about that. A few times. And see what happens. So we may come back at maybe we'll come back every hour. We'll do this maybe for 3 hours. So, yeah. So when they say, I keep talking, but we're going to get through this. They say flushable. Technically, all these things, as long as there's no obstruction in the toilet itself, pardon me, they will be flushable. They'll go through the toilet. It's the fact that they don't break down. And these are all wording that companies can do and not get in trouble for. It's, will they break down in the sewer? That's the problem. So we're going to come back in an hour, give it a little swish around, pick it up, see if it's breaking down. If it's not, then we know. Well, if it's not, we're going to keep going. And we'll do this for 3 hours to see if it does break down eventually. right, guys. $1:28. So almost an hour has gone by. Grab our trusty screwdriver. You can see it's breaking down. Right. This is the great value. Not breaking down. I'm going to get in there with my hands in a second. This is the paper towel. Again, not breaking down. Okay, look at this. Cottonelle. So, toilet paper, you can see, breaking down. This is the great value, right? Takes time to rip it, right? Paper towel, same thing. It can be ripped, but it's not breaking down. The Cottonelle actually is breaking down. That's surprising. So we're gonna give it another hour till about 2:30 and come back and see what else has changed. Alright guys, so the camera shut off, but it's been 2 hours now. 2:26. We started this at 12:30. Toilet paper is basically all broken down. These are the great value wet wipes. If you put pressure on them, you can see they're starting to, it's not that they're falling apart, they're just like they're ripping, right? So like, it may break down over time, who's to say? This is the paper towel, right? And this is the Cottonelle. You can see this is actually breaking down, right? So I think the conclusion we've come to is flushable wipes. Are they flushable? Technically, yes. All wipes are flushable. Toilet paper is flushable. Paper towel is flushable. The problem is they don't break down quick enough, and if they break down at all, right? So the great value, like it's still, you know what I mean? Like it is slowly breaking down, I guess. So what I recommend is, if you're going to buy flushable wipes, buy ones that say flushable. Cottonelle breaks down very well. So if you're going to use any, maybe use the Cottonelle, I guess. I guess Roger Wakefield was correct with saying they do break down. So, in the end, flushable wipes, are they flushable? Yes. Should you break them? Should you use them and flush them? No. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have yourself a great day. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.